Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable K. Haj Muhammad Hassan Mutawakil Allah SMM is caregiver of Zainul Hassan Genggong Islamic Boarding School. The Honorable Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz B. Mage is Rector of Zainul Hassan Genggong Islamic University. The Honorable Miss Raudatul Islam MPD is our lecturer of English for young learners. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Halimat Sadia. Today, I would like to present my material about school place. And I hope all of you are in good condition and enjoy this presentation. And before we start, I will ask you, do you know what school plays are? Yes, school plays are the place or facilities that we can find in our school. They help students and teachers do teaching and learning activities comfortably. Okay, I would like to explain you about my lesson plan and my worksheet. I start from the background of information. This lesson plan is designed for students aged 9 until 10 years old with a class consisting of 20 students. And the topic of the lesson is about school place, which introduce students to different places they can find at school, such as classroom, library, laboratory, and playground. And the main language skill in these lessons is speaking. Although students will also practice listening, reading, and writing. The lesson is planned to be complete for about 35 minutes, make it suitable for the learners. And for the main objective of these lessons are to help students recognize and name different places at school correctly. Students are also expected to ask and answer simple questions using English, describe their favorite place at school, and explain why they like it. In addition, to communicate confidently with their classmates and become more active during classroom activities. And for the language skill, I used to this language skill the 4 basic English. This lesson developed the 4 basic English language skill. For the first is student practice listening by understanding simple questions from the teacher. Yes. And the next, they improve their speaking through pair words and short conversations. They also practice reading by reading simple dialogue and identify vocabulary. And finally, students develop their writing skills by completing short sentences and dialogue using the vocabulary they have learned. And for the language functions in this lesson is help students use English for everyday communications. Students learn how to name different places at school, ask for information, politely answer questions correctly, and express their own opinion or preference. This function is help students use English in meaningful in real life. And for the vocabulary, that the lesson introduced new vocabulary related to school place, including classroom, library, laboratory, office, and playground. Also, students review familiar words such as school, teacher, student, books, favorite, and like. And learning this would help students build their vocabulary and communicate more confidently about their school environment. And for the language structure, I used to student practice useful sentence pattern that they can use in daily conversations. For example, they learn to ask, "What is it?" and answer, "Is it a library?" And they also practice expressing their opinion by saying, "My favorite place is library because it is quiet." This simple structure helps students improve both their grammar and speaking confidence. and also the research and the media. To make the lesson more interesting and interactive, the teacher used several learning materials, including worksheet, flashcard, picture of school facilities, whiteboard, and marker. This teaching aids help students understand the vocabulary more easily, keep them engaged in the lessons, and create a fun learning atmosphere. And for the lesson procedure, for the opening is at the beginning of the lesson, the teacher greet the student, check attendance, and start with a short warm up by asking questions about place at school. These activities help active student background knowledge and prepare them for the new lessons. The teacher also explain the learning objectives so students understand what they are going to learn. And for the main activities, during the main activities, the teacher introduced the new vocabulary using picture and flashcard maybe, and the teacher then model simple dialogue so students can hear the correct pronunciations and sentence pattern. After that, students work in pair to practice asking and answering questions. They also complete worksheet and describe their favorite place at school using the new vocabulary. Throughout the activities, the teacher monitoring the student provide feedback and helps them improve their pronunciation and speaking skill. And last, for the closing, at the end of the lessons, the teacher review the vocabulary and expressing that have been learned. Student answer, review, and reflection questions to check their understanding. Finally, the teacher give feedback and summarize the lesson and encourage students to continue practicing English in their daily life. In conclusions, every place at school has its own function and importance. School facilities help students learn better and make the school environment more comfortable. Therefore, we should keep our school place clean and take care of them. I think that's all my presentation about school place. Thank you very much for your nice attention. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer it. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.